Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can download RustDesk on your PC. So first, you can start by opening your browser and heading over to rustdesk.com, and then you will have to scroll down until you reach the download button, which is right here, and then you will just have to click on it, and then you will just have to select Windows as your operating system. Then, the download will begin right away. Once the installer is finished downloading, you will just have to open it. Go through the quick installation process, and it's simple and requires no setup wizard. After it installs, you will just launch RustDesk and you'll instantly see your connection ID and password. You can now start a remote desktop session by entering another person's ID or share yours so they can connect to your PC. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.